3, 2, 1, go. A glacier is a large body of ice and snow. It forms because the snow in an area does not all melt in summer. Each winter, more snow is added. The weight of all the snow creates pressure. This pressure turns the lower parts of the snow into ice. After this happens for many years, the glacier will start growing large. It becomes so heavy that gravity causes the ice to move. It flows downwards like water but very slowly. A glacier only moves about 50 meters per year. New snowfalls replace the parts that flow away. Glaciers are the largest sources of fresh water on Earth. The largest bodies of salt water are the oceans. Glaciers will only form in places that are cold enough and get enough snow over time. This can take a long time. It often takes tens or hundreds of years for a glacier to form. There are two kinds of glaciers: continental glaciers and alpine glaciers. Alpine glaciers are also called mountain glaciers. Continental glaciers are glaciers that spread out over a large area of land. They were created mostly during the ice ages a long time ago. There are still some continental glaciers in Greenland and Antarctica. They often flow downwards into the sea and break up. The broken parts that float in the sea are called icebergs. Alpine glaciers form in mountain areas. They are smaller than continental glaciers. Alpine glaciers usually flow until they reach a point where the temperature is warm enough that the ice melts completely during the summer. Glaciers are very important. They have a large effect on the environment. They do this because they are very large and heavy. When they move, they erode mountains and land. Since they froze long ago, snow crystals and air bubbles inside are kept in good condition. These can provide a large amount of information for scientists. Recently, glaciers have been melting more than they did in the past. Many scientists think this is happening because global warming is changing the climate. Glaciers are blue in color. This is because water is very good at absorbing light. Only the strongest light with the most energy is able to escape. Blue is the color of light that has the most energy. Because of this, blue is the only color of light that can escape without being absorbed. A glacier is a persistent body of dense ice that is constantly moving under its own weight. Glaciers slowly deform and flow under stresses induced by their weight, creating and other distinguishing features. Glaciers form only on land and are distinct from the much thinner sea ice and lake ice that forms on the surface of bodies of water. Many glaciers from temperate, alpine, and seasonal polar climates store water as ice during the colder seasons and release it later in the form of melt water as warmer summer temperatures cause the glacier to melt, creating a water source that is especially important for plants, animals, and human uses when other sources may be scant. Stop.